What up, YouTube? Happy Sunday. Just finished vacuuming the house and I noticed it's getting a little bit dirty, so I'm going to show you how much hair the Dyson actually gets and what we need to do to keep the Dyson maintained. So it's pretty disgusting, so watch. That is all dog fur and likely human hair. And that's just a small section of the Dyson too. It still has the bigger end. It still has this end to do. And you want to keep this maintained. Otherwise, if you don't, the furs can kind of get stuck on the inside here, which is the gears to keep rotating it. So if you don't do that, eventually you'll burn out the motor. So you have to keep it maintained. I'll be honest, I haven't done much to it lately. I have been pretty good at it when we first got it, but yeah, that's how we clean the Dyson. So to get the Dyson off, you have to use these special screws. I don't know what these are called. These are the only time I've ever had to use them, but they're like stars kind of, and they only fit on these, so you need the right size. Usually toolkits sometimes come with it. My drill bit thingy comes with a bunch, and then some of these star ones, luckily. So if you don't have them, you're gonna need to get them in order to take out these purple things to maintain your Dyson. So we got this out, and now we can clean the inside. See, the inside here, all full of fur. So if it gets too full, it's gonna start overheating the motor, and it can eventually break the Dyson. There's screws inside these. There's a hole in here that you can kind of use these screws to get it to take this out, but unfortunately my bit's not long enough. It just kind of gets stuck in there. So if you want the perfect clean, I suggest ordering maybe longer versions of these drill bits. That way you can do what you kind of need. So the Dyson is all put back together now. I have this out because I'm cleaning the filter for here and the filter in here. So those stuff is drying right now, and then here is the stuff I pulled from the motors. Pretty gross, right? I know. And that is how you clean the Dyson or maintain the Dyson motors. I'll do a more thorough one some other time, but thought I needed to do it. It's been a couple months now. So anyways, thank you for watching and have a dang good day.